This episode is brought to you by Sanchez live in Montreal, Saturday, November 16th. For more information, check out sanchezmontreal.com. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? You know this is Muscle from the Entertainment Report podcast on special assignment. We're recording live from Rebel Nightclub right here in Toronto. We are featuring the Beres Hammond show live tonight, brought to you by Musical Niceness and crew. Listen, we're going to talk to some people and see what they feel about Beres Hammond. Have they been here? What's their favorite song? All that good stuff. And hopefully we can talk to the maestro himself. So follow us and let's see what we see in Rebel. When we got in the venue was almost full to capacity, being warmed up by The Bandit alongside Mr. Presto and Canada's funny man, Mr. J. Martin. We decided to head to the patio for some pre-show interviews. Is this your first Beres Hammond concert?
No, this is my third.
Third time.
Yes, it is.
Yes, this is my first time. Yeah. My first time too.
Definitely not. Yeah, definitely, yeah.
How many Beres Hammond concerts have you been to?
It's my third.
I can't count at all. So many.
No.
Many times. Love Beres. Lots of times.
What's your favorite Beres Hammond song?
Remember the days used to make you rock away. Those were the days. Yeah, what one dance can do.
The No Disrespect. I don't know if that's the title of the song, but I absolutely enjoy that one. That's my favorite one.
What one dance can do, right?
And yours?
That's the same one I'd say. But I wanted her to say it first.
Who said Big Man Don't Cry?
I'll tell you a story now. What just one dance can do. Tempted to touch.
Double Trouble.
Why Double Trouble?
I think it's a song that a lot of people can relate to.
If you could sum up a Beres Hammond concert in one word, what would that word be?
Phenomenal.
Awesome.
Epic.
Awesome.
Greatness.
There's not one word though. It's a full experience to be here, just the atmosphere, his energy that he still brings. It's amazing.
If you could send a personal message to Beres Hammond, what would it be?
More health and strength.
I'd like to have your baby.
What?
I'd like to have your baby.
First up was the phenomenal Harmony House Band.
For me, it's a night of dance and groove. You hear that? So, if you want to sing along, you sing along. If you hear your favorite song, you want to dance, just dance. You are rubbing up with the people. You're damn business. Play!
So that's the conclusion of the Beres Hammond live in Toronto right here at the Rebel nightclub. Trust me, it was an amazing show. The people enjoyed themselves. Beres is, trust me, one of the artists that Toronto really loves and enjoys. So next time he's around, make sure you guys check it out. Special shout to Musical Niceness and the crew for putting it together. Look out for more events coming up from Musical Niceness. And right now, we are out. This episode is brought to you by Sanchez live in Montreal, Saturday, November 16th. For more information, check out sanchezmontreal.com.